the storage hard drive, and this is the CPU. This is actual RAM, random access memory. If the CPU relied on the hard drive, the information would be going very slowly. If we were using Microsoft Word from the hard drive, the information would be going very slowly to the CPU. Imagine you're working on a big project. Every time you need information, you have to go to the hard drive and search for it. Look at this bookcase. Imagine this was a hard drive full of information. Imagine this was another hard drive. This is the one. If I want more information, I have to go back to the hard drive. Wouldn't it be easier if the hard drive gave us all the information in one go, so we don't have to keep going up and down? Imagine this desktop was my RAM. If all the information was in RAM in the first place, we don't have to keep going back and forth to the hard drive, and I can get to working much quicker. Imagine if this desktop was a RAM. The more desktop space I have, the more RAM I have. I can work on several projects at the same time. This information is like RAM information. It's readily accessible. I don't have to keep going back to the hard drive. So the more RAM space I have, I can work on more projects at the same time. It's a bit like this. The hard drive is the bookshelf. The RAM is the books on my desktop. And the CPU is my brain, busy working. If the information is nearby, I can get it more quick than having to go back and forth. The RAM gives the information much quicker than the hard drive. So when we use Word, the hard drive sends the relevant information to RAM. Now the CPU works directly with RAM because RAM is much more faster. If we want to speed the process up, we can add more RAM. Like the books on the desk, the RAM stores the information temporarily. The information is never stored permanently in RAM. If we turn off the power switch, the information will be lost. So we have to continually save the information to the hard drive for storage, because RAM doesn't save it permanently. So now you know the difference between the permanent hard drive storage and the temporary RAM storage.